In the following minutes, you will discover the brand new step-by-step video tutorial that will explain everything you need to know about this revolutionary product. So keep watching.
So welcome to this video on Capcut Pro, or the features of Capcut Pro. And in this video, I'm going to show you a lot of features that you can perform with the Capcut Pro, and also give you the chance to get Capcut Pro from me that you can use continually. So let us dive right into it. So you can see these are the features that Capcut Pro has. The first feature right here is the script to video, which is the kind of feature that InVideo performs. I know most of us know InVideo. InVideo is a website that allows creators to convert scripts into video using AI. So you can use Capcut Pro for that. The second thing right here is the smart vlog. So this smart vlog is that the AI can help you accumulate your vlog, your pictures and videos, and turn it into a vlog you can use on TikTok, on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube Short, or on YouTube, right? So smart vlog. The next one here is the smart ads. This smart ads is going to help you to create ad, right? It's going to help you to create ad. So the next one here is the video translator. This one can translate any video from one language into another. So the next feature here is the photo editor. It helps you in editing photo, right? It's going to help you put effects, pro effects, and so on and so forth. The next one here is text to image. It's going to help you to convert text into image. The next one here is AutoCut. So this AutoCut feature now is going to help you to just upload your videos, then it's going to auto cut it and put auto effects, right? So it's going to help you auto cut it and put effects automatically. The next one here is the product photos. This one you can design products design with your photo. That is, if you snap a photo of a particular product that you sell or that you just want to design, you understand, you can create a product with AI. So the next one here is AI poster. This one is like you want to create a flyer with AI, maybe social media poster, social media flyer, or maybe the one you want to use offline, that is physically, you can design it with this AI. The next one here is the AI model. So this AI model is for those that actually sell something like clothes, that they can put their clothes on models, right? On models, the models are going to wear the clothes automatically for them to use it for promotion, instead of them wearing it or hiring people to wear it before they can snap and do their edit. So the next one here is AI effects. So this AI effects can help you in getting a lot of premium effects for your videos, for your images, and so on and so forth, which comes with CapCut. The next one is the hard script. The next one is the hard script, and this hard script is you are going to use AI to write scripts that you want to use for hard, and so on and so forth. So the next one is the retouch. Yes, retouching of auto caption. We all know auto caption already. And this auto caption is going to help you get captions for your video. You understand? Captions for your video or for any video automatically. The next one is Teleprompter. So this Teleprompter also, you can use it in different ways. Remove background, you can remove image background and video background with this particular one. And also image enhancement. So it's going to help you enhance image, and the one that enhances video as well is there. So I'm going to dive right into each of these features, or few of these features that the Pro can do that you cannot do on the free version. So this is the Pro plan for CapCut. You can see this is $25.99 monthly, and you can see it is yearly, billed annually, which is $249. or $250 annually, and you know that that is over around that is over 400,000 naira for you to get it annually. But wait, I have the pro version that I can give you for a very low amount. You understand? For you to have access to the pro, everything in the pro, you are going to have access to it. And this is just to give few people the opportunity to make use of this chance. So now let me go to this pro right now. So you are going to see that my home pro here is activated, and you can see that renews on 1 year. So this time you can see 220 2025 09 13. You understand? That is when the pro of this particular one is going to expire, right? And that is 1 year. That is 1 year. And I've shown you the amount of the 1 year plan already. So if you want to get it from me for a very low amount, like a very low amount that you can't even believe, right? Just click on any link that you find in the description that comes to my DM on WhatsApp so that we can talk. Thank you. So now let me start showing you everything you can do with this pro version, but it's not going to be everything because there are a lot and a lot of these things you can do. Another thing you can do is the AI avatar. You can do the AI avatar. So now let us start with the script to video. So with this script to video, I am going to generate a script and convert it into video. So you can use an AI writer, right? Or if you have your own script, you click on this and you input your script right here. But if you don't have a script, you want the AI to write the script for you. So you just give it the title. Let me say, for example, Tokyo. Okay, best places to explore in USA. So let me click on generate script. So we are going to see the magic. So you can see that it has generated script for us, and it's going to generate 3 different options of scripts. 1, 2, 3. You can see what I'm clicking, and if you are not satisfied with any of this, you can still generate again by clicking on regenerate right here. So it's going to regenerate script for you. You can see A there, travel enthusiast. Today we are going to dive into the best places to explore in the United States, from the bustling city to the serene natural world. And if you want to make any edits, you can still make edits from here. You can see you can make your edits and so on and so forth. So but if you are okay with what you have, or maybe it's the next one that you are okay with, you can see that we have 6 options right now. What you just do is you click on generate video. So it's going to give you 2 different options: smart generation and local materials. So this smart generation is that they are going to be the ones to use their AI to get the assets, the video assets to use for the generation of this. And the local materials is you already have your own assets. You just want to select from your assets that you already have for whatsoever video you want to generate. Maybe you want to create a video for yourself. You can already have your own videos, or maybe your business. You can already have your own this and that. But I'm going to go with the smart generation so that the AI of Capcut can do everything. I mean everything for me. So let us wait for it to generate completely. So you can see now it's on 98% already, 99%. So once it gets to 100%, it's going to take us to where we can edit the whole thing. So it has generated completely. You can see that all these assets that are given is generated the assets, it generated the voiceover and also the background music. So let me play it so that you can see.
Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the best places to visit in the United States. First up, let's head to the Big Apple, New York City. This vibrant metropolis is a melting pot of cultures with world-class museums, iconic landmarks, and a thriving food scene. Next, let's head west to the City of Angels, Los Angeles. This sun-kissed city is
So you can see how it is, right? And you can see how wonderful that is. It has generated all the assets for us. It's generated the voiceover, the background music, and everything for us. And another thing you can do is everything can actually be edited, or everything can also be changed. If you want to add sticker, you can add sticker as well. So it's going to load these variations of stickers that are on ground. If you want to add more things, you can do that. You know, this is Capcut. You can do your full editing and everything right there, right? So if you want to add audio, maybe you want to generate another text to script, you can still do that by putting your text right here and converting it to script. So if you want to change the music, you understand, you can also do that, or edit the music, you can also do that from here. You want to replace the music as well. So if you want to change the person that spoke, right, that is the voiceover artist, if you want to change it, you can come to select voice right here. You can come to select voice right here, and it's going to show you a lot of voices, both male and female. So you are going to select any of the sound that you want. So let me check this one.
Hey there, travel.
So you can see it's going to give a sound as a test, just as a preview sound to check if you're satisfied with it.
Hey there, travel.
You can see, you can hear that.
Hey there, travel.
You can hear that.
Hey there, travel.
So you can check as many as you want, and you can come to narration, character, male, female, English, and check as many as you like. You understand? So I'm just going to select the one that I've selected. I think this one, Sam.
Hey there, travel.
Yeah. So once I'm done with that, you just need to click on check. So what it's going to do is it's going to help you change the sound. So you can see it right now. In case you are not satisfied with anything, you can do well to change by clicking and click on replace. So once you click on replace, you can be able to see different assets to select, or you should download assets online and import it. So that is another way. And if you want to make more edits, you can come here to click more edits. But before we go there, you can add your own text as well, your own custom text, your sticker, text template, and so on and so forth. You can do so many things with it, right? So if you now want to go to edit more, so let me go to edit more right now. Yeah, here I am in the edit more. You can also do other things like adding effects to each slide. Let me say in the transition, right? The transition, adding different effects, even the pro effects, everything is there. You can see, you can do that right here. And there are still other things that you can do. And the other thing you can do is if you want to add an AI character. Let me say you want to add someone that is going to be showing on the screen, like an AI avatar. You can also do that as well. So let us wait for it to load. So it has loaded successfully. So you can see this particular AI avatar that we have right here. We have a lot of AI avatars, and each of them has their own styles. They have different styles. Look at this person, Dom. So this is another style for
Hey there,
the
travel
same
enthusiast.
person. You can see. Look at another
Hey
one.
there, travel
This
enthusiast.
is another one for the same person.
Hey there.
This is another one right here for
Hey
the same
there,
person.
travel enthusiast.
So it depends on what feels okay for you. You can even see black people right there, black male and black female. You're going to see everything there. So that is if you want to do for
Hey there.
contents for black or maybe for Africans, you can do that with all these ones.
Hey there, travel enthusiasts.
So you can see, and you can go and on and on and find a lot of people, a lot of templates or people you can select from.
Hey there.
So you can see, and so on and so forth. So let me use this.
Hey there, travel enthusiasts.
Right, so that is how that one works. Let me see now. Once you are done, right, you just click on this drop down. So once you click on the drop down, it's going to tell you where you are going to select other things, right? Like this first part, if you have custom voice and all these stuff, okay, you can select from this. And from this second part is where the scripts are going to be. And if you want to use the AI writer, you can use that as well right here. So let me say, for example, you want to also change the AI characters. Yeah, so you can also change the AI characters from the bottom here. The AI voice, you can change the voice. You can also write your script or paste your script out right there and click on yes, then it's going to apply successfully. So let me just say hey there. So you see that the script is going to apply. You can see hey there. Let me play it.
Hey there.
So you can see that. So that is how you can actually use the feature of custom characters, and you can also use custom voices as well.
Hey there.
You can use custom voices. Let me say I select this one, right, and come to this retouch. You can even make other edits. You can make other effects on it. So this is another effect right here. You can transform. You can do auto reframe. Which one again? You can even increase the quality. You can increase your video quality as well. Everything is there. Let me go to another part. So also the background, you can also give it a background. You can give it a background, maybe a background image or a background color. You can see that right here. But we are going to create another video particularly for this AI avatar. Let's create a particular video for it. So that one is going to be a little bit different. So let me just remove the AI character and go back to what we are doing. So okay, delete. So once you are done with your, maybe you are satisfied with any edits that this one has given you, so what you just do is to click on export. Just click on export. So that is how it's going to export to your gallery successfully, and you are going to use on your YouTube or anywhere that you want to use it. So thank you guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot from it. Don't forget to click the link below for my special discounted price.